Hello everyone, welcome to Hello Friends Chemistry channel. In this video I am going to talk about factors affecting of rate of reaction. This is the chemical kinetics class 4. Now my name is Uma Shankar. Start this section and see this board, friends. In this video I am going to talk about factors affecting of rate of reaction. Factors on which rate of reaction depends. This is the heading. This is the side heading, friends. Factors on which rate of reaction depends. Friends, those are the important factors affecting of rate of reaction. Now the first one is the nature of reactant. Okay friends, first one is the nature of reactants. Friends, you know that in ionic reactants, this is ionic reactants. Friends, ionic reactants are example is the Ag NaCl plus AgNO3 gives AgCl plus NaNO3. Okay friends, these are the ionic reactants are present in there. Friends, ionic reactants are NaCl plus AgNO3 gives AgCl plus NaNO3. Friends, these are the ionic reactants. Okay friends, Na plus and Cl minus and Ag plus NO3 minus. Friends, these are the ionic reactants. What happens, friends? The rate of reaction is very high. Rate of reaction is very high in ionic reactants. Because of this reaction is very fast reaction. This reaction is complete to the 10 to the power of minus 6 milliseconds. Okay friends, this is the nature of reactants, ionic reactants. And one more point. Now we have two covalent reactants. Covalent reactant. Okay friends. Covalent reactant example is the N2 plus 3H2 gives 2 moles of NH3. Okay friends, now this is NH3 is the covalent reactants. Because of this is the N triple bond N and H bond H, and this is the formation of ammonia NH3. Okay friends, these are the covalent reactants. Friends, covalent reactant is the bond breaking. Okay friends, bond breaking, and this is the bond formation. Bond breaking and bond formation is finite time. Okay friends, what friends? Finite time to finish this reaction. Now this reaction is the rate of reaction, friends. Rate of reaction is very low. With compared to the ionic reactants. Friend, ionic reactant concentrate, ionic reactants is the present in the reactants. What happens, friends? This is the rate of reaction is ionic reactants is very high, and covalent reactants rate of reaction is very low with compared to the ionic reactants. Nature of the reactants is ionic reactant and covalent reactants. This is clear, friends. Now one more point in nature of reactants. One more point is this is clear. This is arise. Friends, nature of reactants is the homogeneous reactants or heterogeneous reactants. Okay friends, homogeneous reactant and heterogeneous reactant. Okay friends, rate of reaction homogeneous reactants is very high with compared to the heterogeneous reactants. Rate of reaction is very high in homogeneous reactants and with compared to the heterogeneous reactants. The reason is that these are the homogeneous. It means homogeneous means the molecules are same atom and same size of the molecules is present in it. The homogeneous reactants are react is very fast. Now this is the homogeneous reactants are very high because of the, for example, you know that in solid is For example, gas is reacted to the gaseous molecule. What happens, friends? The reaction is very fast, but gas is reacted to the solid. What happens, friends? The reactance is very less. Reaction is very less. Now what happens, friends? Rate of reaction is decreases. Okay, friends. Rate of reaction is the homogeneous reactants are very high with compared to the heterogeneous reactants. Now one more important point. The point is the rate of reaction, friends. Rate of reaction is directly proportional to the stability of product, and rate of reaction is inversely proportional to the stability of reactant. Okay, friends. What is, friends? Rate of reaction is directly proportional to the stability of product and inversely proportional to the stability of reactants. Now one more example, friends. One more example of the stability of products is for example, you know that CH3COOH, this is acetic acid. It is dissociated to the CH3COO minus plus H plus. Okay, friends, and HCOOH, this is acetic acid. This is the formic acid is dissociated to the HCOO minus plus H plus. Okay, friends, this is the acetic acid is dissociated to the CH3COO minus plus H plus. But this is the reversible reaction. But I am going to talk about only forward direction. This is reactants is converted to the products. Okay, friends, this is acetic acid is the CH3COO minus plus H plus. This is the HCOO minus plus H plus. Okay, friends, what happened there? The stability of product. Now in this case, this is the product and this is the product is present in the. Which one is the more rate of reaction? Now the rate of reaction is directly proportional to the stability of product. Friends, in this case, CH3COOH is a minus psi effect is present in there. Because of this is the minus psi effect. This is already these are the electron negativity atom is negative charge is present in there. Now these electrons is donated. What happened, friends? This is the unstable. Okay, friends, this is the unstable product and this is the no effect is present in there. This is stable product. This is stable product. This is unstable product. Now what happened, friends? Rate of reaction is that directly proportional to the stability of product. This is the unstable product and this is stable product. Because of this is the minus psi effect is present in the simple concept of the GOC, general organic chemistry. Okay, friends, now the rate of reaction is directly proportional to the stability of product. In these two example, which one is the more rate of reaction, friends? The rate of reaction is this one. See, this is one and this is one. This is two. More rate of reaction is the second one is more rate of reaction compared to the first one. Okay, friends, this is the concept of the nature of the reactants. Okay, friends, this is clear, friends. This is arise. Okay, friends, nature of reactants is like this. Okay, friends, this is arise. Friends, now one more important factor. The factor is the physical state of reactant. Okay, friends, the factor is the second one is the physical state of reactant. Friends, physical state of reactants is the, friends, physical state of reaction is gases and liquid and solid. Okay, friends, this is the physical state of reactants. Which one is the more rate of reaction? Okay, friends, depends upon the gases molecules. Reactants is more rate of reaction compared to the liquids and solid. Because of the reason is the gases molecules are freely movable. It means freely movable. The randomness motion is very high in gaseous molecule. It means this is the gaseous molecules is A and this is gaseous molecule is B. These two gaseous molecules is easily attraction. Now this is the reactants of these gaseous molecules is easily reactant. Whenever this is easily reacted, what happens, from rate of reaction is very high. But in case solid is the, this is solid solid, this is the solid A and this is solid B. This is the molecules is closely attracting. Now what happened? Reactance of this is very less. Because of the react of this molecules is very, the force of attraction is strongly to these molecules. That is the reason. Now physical state of reactance is the gaseous reactants are very rate of reaction is gaseous reactance is rate of reaction very high with compared to the liquids and solid. This is the one more important factor for the physical state of reactant. This is clear, friends. This is arise. Friends, next important factor is surface area of reactants. Okay, friends. Next important factor is the surface. Third one is the surface area of reactant. Okay, friends, surface area of reactants is the next important factor, friends. Surface area of reactants. Friends, rate of reaction is directly proportional to the surface area of reactant. This is very important, friends. Rate of reaction is directly proportional to the surface area of reactant. Surface area of reactant is very high. Rate of reaction is very high. For example, now we have to consider a sugar molecules. Now sugar molecules is this is the sugar molecule cube of this is sugar molecules is the particles is the sugar molecules is cube of the sugar molecules. But you know that powder of the sugar molecules. This is the powder of the sugar molecule powder, and this is sugar molecule cube of the sugar molecule. Friends, which one is the more surface area? More surface area is the sugar molecules is more surface area. For example, now we have to consider a milk, friends. If this milk is reacted to this sugar molecules is very high because of this is the very high surface area with compared to the cube of the sugar molecule. This is the cube of the sugar molecules. Okay, friends. Cube of the sugar molecules is less surface area because of the number of particles or number of molecules is increases. What happens, friends? Surface area is very high. Sugar powder is very high surface area with compared to the cube sugar molecules. Okay, friends. This is the concept of the surface area of the reactant. Surface. This is the very high molecules is present in there. What happened, friend? Small particles is present in there. This is the reacted to the milk is very high. Now what happened, friends? The rate of reactions is very high. This is the concept of the surface area is surface area of reactants is directly proportional to the rate of reaction. This is clear, friends. This is arise. Friends, next factor is the intensity of light. This is the fourth one. Fourth one is the intensity of light. Friends, intensity of light is the fourth factor. Intensity of light. For example, now we have to consider a example, friends. Consider a example. Some of the reactions are photochemical reactions. The example is the H2 plus Cl2 is gives in the presence of H mu is to form the 2HCl. Friends, this is the photochemical reaction. Now this is the photochemical reaction. Now H mu is the proton. This is H mu is the proton of this light. Now what happened, friends? In intensity of light is increases, friends. Intensity of light is increases. What happens, friends? Protons is increases. Whenever the protons is increases, what happens, friends? These reactants are increases because of the Cl is the cleavage. This is the homogeneous cleavage of this Cl. This is the intensity of light is increases. Protons are increases. Whenever protons are increases, what happens, friends? This is the reactance is very high. Reactance is very high. Now the product is the reaction is very fast. Now what happens, friends? Rate of reaction is very high. Okay, friends. Intensity of light is directly proportional to the rate of reaction. This is the one more important factor. Okay friends, this is clear friends. This is arise. Friends, next important factor is the catalyst. Friends, next important factor is the fifth one is the catalyst. Catalyst. Okay friends, catalyst is the presence of the reaction. What happened friends? The reaction speed is increases. The reaction speed is increases in the presence of catalyst. Now we have to consider a graph. Now we have to consider a graph friends. The graph is the like this. This is the rate of reaction. This is energy. Okay friends, reactant energy is less and product energy is high. Now this reactance is the in transaction state like this friends. In the transaction state like this, product is formation is like this. Okay friends, this is the energy. Friends, this is called as activation energy. Friends, this is called as activation energy. Product reactant is converted to the product in the without catalyst. Without catalyst, this reaction is present in it. This is the without catalyst. Okay friends, without catalyst, activation energy is like this. Without catalyst, activation energy is like this. Now this reactant speed is decreases. The without catalyst, what happened friends? This reaction is very slow, but with catalyst friends, what happened friends? The reaction is like this. Okay friends, this is the activation energy. Activation energy when with catalyst. Okay friends, with catalyst. Without catalyst, activation energy is like, but with catalyst, activation energy is like, no, the reaction is very fast. In the presence of catalyst, what happens friends? Rate of reaction is increases. Rate of reaction is increases. In the absence of catalyst, what happens friends? Rate of reactions is like this. Now, what happens friends? Catalyst is the rate of reaction is depends upon catalyst. Rate of reaction is depends upon catalyst. This is the very important friends. This is very important. Rate of reaction is depends upon catalyst. Now one more important example friends. The example is the contact process. Sulfur dioxide is reacted to the O2. What happened friends? SO3 present in the presence of nitric acid. In the presence of nitric acid, this nitric acid is called as catalyst. Now what is this rate of reaction? Rate of reaction of this reaction is this reaction is directly proportional to the concentration of nitric acid. This is the nitric acid is the catalyst. Nitric acid is the catalyst. Friends, practically this contact process, sulfur dioxide is reacted to the O2 to form the SO3. This is the rate of reaction is directly proportional to the concentration of NO, nitric acid, concentration of nitric acid. What happens friends? The rate of reaction is depends upon the catalyst. This is the very important factor. This is the one more important factor. And next important factor is the temperature. Friends, next important factor is the temperature. This is arise. Friends, next important factor is the sixth one is the temperature. Okay friends, rate of reaction is depends upon the temperature. This is the very important friends. Rate of reaction is generally temperature increases. What happens friends? Rate of reaction increases. Friends, generally temperature is increases, rate of reaction is increases. Okay friends, this is the very important friend. Temperature is increases. What happens friends? Temperature is increases, rate of reaction increases. This is the one more important factor. On 10 degrees Celsius, temperature is rises. What happens friends? Rate of rate of reaction twice, 2 or 3 times increases. 2 or 3 times is increases. On 10 degrees Celsius is temperature is increases. What happen friends? Rate of reaction are double or triple time is increases. This is the concept of the temperature. This concept is explained. The concept is the Arrhenius equation. Arrhenius equation friends. Arrhenius equation. This briefly explained to the Arrhenius equation in my next video. The Arrhenius equation is the equation K is equal to A into e power of minus EA by RT. This is the Arrhenius equation. K is equal to rate constant, A is the Arrhenius constant, E is the exponential, minus E, this EA called as activation energy, R is the universal gas constant, T is the temperature. This concept is explained in my next video briefly. This is the concept of the temperature. One more important point friends, temperature is increases, rate of reaction is increases. Okay friends, this is clear friends, this is arise. And next important factor is the concentration friends. Next important factor is the concentration. Last one is the concentration. Friends, concentration is increases. Friends, concentration is increases. What happen? Concentration, the important factor is the concentration. Friends, generally what happen friends? Reactant concentration increases. Reactant concentration increases on increasing rate of reaction. Okay friends, generally reactant concentration is increases. What happen friends? Rate of reaction is increases. This is the concentration of reactant. What happen friends? Concentration of reactants. What happen friends? Generally reactant concentration is increases. What happen friends? Rate of reaction is increases. And one more point is that it's maybe rate of reaction is depend upon concentration of product. Maybe depends upon rate of reaction is concentration of product. And one more point is the concentration of reactants and concentration of products. Rate of reaction is depends upon the concentration of reactants and concentration of products. Concentration of reactants is increases. What happen friends? Automatically rate of reaction is increases. Now one more important point is the rate of reaction is may depend upon the rate of reaction is may depend upon the one or all or none of the reactant concentration. Okay friends, rate of reaction is maybe depend upon one or all or none of the reactant concentration. This is the very important concept friends. Finally rate of reaction is depends upon concentration. Concentration is increases of reactants and products. What happens friends? Rate of reaction is increases. This is the very important concept friends. In my next video I am going to discuss about briefly in this concentration of reactants of the factor, and this is the concept of the factors affecting of rate of reaction. First one is the nature of the reactants and physical state of reactants and surface area of reactants, and fourth one is the intensity of light, and fifth factor is the catalyst, and sixth one is the temperature. This is the final factor is the concentration of reactants. Okay friends, this is the concept of the factors affecting of rate of reaction. Okay friends, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.